Let's be honest. You've probably checked your phone at least once in the last 2 minutes. Or maybe you're watching this video right now at double speed because normal human speech feels too slow for your fried brain. Don't worry, I'm not here to lecture you or tell you to go live in a cave. This isn't a preachy speech about deleting all social media. I use tech every day. But let's be real. Your attention span isn't just low, it's practically non-existent. No sugar rushes, no fake motivation, just a hard, mechanical reset for your mind.
You think you're failing because you lack willpower. You tell yourself, tomorrow I'll sit down and read that book, or Monday is the day I lock in for my business. Then Monday rolls around, you open a laptop, and within 40 seconds, you're looking at a split-screen video on TikTok with mobile gameplay playing at the bottom, just to keep your eyes from glazing over. That's a joke, right? But it's not your fault. Well, it is, but not the way you think. You're trying to fight a war using vibes against a billion-dollar algorithm engineered specifically to keep you acting like a Sims character waiting for the next hit of input. Every notification, every endless scroll, every trending topic is a hit of cheap dopamine. Your brain has been conditioned to expect a reward every 4 seconds. So when you try to sit down and do something that takes actual effort, something boring, repetitive, or quiet, your brain literally panics. It's not that you can't focus. It's that your brain has forgotten how to be bored.
So, how do we fix it? We don't do it by going cold turkey. That's why your digital detoxes fail after 2 days. You can't go from scrolling 6 hours a day to meditating under a waterfall for an hour. It doesn't work. We need to treat your attention span like a muscle. We use progressive overload, just like lifting weights at the gym. We start from literal scratch. Protocol 1, the boring baseline. For the next 3 days, when you eat breakfast, or when you walk to your car, or when you stand in line at a coffee shop, you do absolutely nothing. No music, no podcasts, no checking notifications. Just exist. Let your brain touch grass for 5 minutes. It's going to feel highly uncomfortable. Your hand will literally twitch toward your pocket. That twitch is the matrix trying to pull you back in. Resist it. Protocol 2, the direct action block. Pick one task, just one. Let's say it's studying, writing, or reading a single chapter. Set a timer for 15 minutes. That's it, 15 minutes. Put your phone in another room. Not face down on the desk, in another room. If it's on your desk, your brain spends energy ignoring it. Turn off every tab except the one you need. Now, work until the timer rings. If your mind drifts, that's fine. Catch it, bring it back. You aren't aiming for a flawless, perfect flow state. You're just training the muscle to stay put.
Let's look at what this looks like in practice. Most people think they are working when they have 5 tabs open, a YouTube video playing on their second monitor, music blasting, and their phone lighting up like a Christmas tree next to their keyboard. That isn't working. That's a mental circus. You're diluting your focus. When you apply the absolute scratch setup, it looks empty. It looks quiet. It looks kind of boring. But boring is where the magic happens. Boring is where your bank account actually changes, where your skills actually develop, and where you stop being a passive consumer of inspiration and start being an active participant in your own life. Think about it. When was the last time you read a full page of text without checking out? It's probably been a minute.
Look, this is a wake-up call. I'm not going to finish this by telling you you've got this, or saying something cheesy to make you feel warm inside. You might completely fail at this. You might close this video and immediately scroll back to your feed because it's easier. That's completely up to you. But if you're honest with yourself, you know that a broken attention span makes you weak. It makes you easily manipulated. It makes you a toy for tech companies instead of the main character of your own life. The world isn't going to get less distracting. The algorithms are only getting smarter. So you have to get stronger. Are we going to rebuild your mind from scratch? Or are you going to keep clicking through life like a ghost?